guys, and welcome to Science at Home. So we have a few helpers helping me here today. We're just going to do quick experiments today. So for this experiment you just need some acetone, so nail varnish remover, and some polystyrene cups. So first, pour this into your containers. I want you to push it in here. Okay? So you can see that with acetone, so nail varnish remover and polystyrene cups, it dissolves and makes like a slime. Okay? So experiment number two, we have our famous Coke and Mentos. So in this one, you have to try and do it really quickly, unscrew the Coke and try and fit as many Mentos inside the Coke as you can. Okay, so we're going to start by putting them in there. Make sure that you cover the surface.
Take this out, yeah, then we put it in there. Gone.
Oops. Okay, so are you going to put it in or am I going to put it in?
Should I put it in?
I'm going to put it in.
Alright, but you have to do as quick as you can, okay?
Don't touch it, Zay.
Are you ready? You ready, Zay?
Yeah.
Okay, go. You just need baking soda, gloves, washing up gloves if you have them, vinegar, and a container. To put this baking soda inside your glove. Yep, inside this glove, please. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yep.
Mom.
Yes, please. I just want you to fill your container with vinegar. Squeeze it. Squeeze it, Zane.
Squeeze it here.
What does it smell like?
Squeeze.
Vinegar. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. The mouth.
It's like this.
And then, Zane, lift the hand up. Lift your hand up.
You're putting it in the side.
Then what's going to happen?
Bubbles.
Bubbles
gonna happen.
It has a hole in it.
Now look. Ooh.
Oh, my team found it.
So then yours should look like this. It should be a hand that stays up without anything.
What did you say?
Oh, say you're gonna let all the air out.
Just do it.
Or sink. Do you know what floating is? So when something floats, it stays on top of the water, and when something sinks, it goes into the bottom. So what I want you to do into this cup here.
I'm going
into this one, please.
For Caden. Yeah, that's.
Now, what I want you to do is, for this experiment, we just have water, we have baking soda, salt, and sugar, and we just have some balls. To put one of the balls in there. Go on to here.
Can I
put the ball in there?
Grab the ball
inside here. Okay.
What
What happens? Does it float or does it sink? Is that the bottom or is it at the top?
Bottom.
Yeah, so that means it's sinking. Now into our other cup, pour water again. This water. I want you to pour water again. And so here you can help.
And then you're not gonna pick the black one.
Okay. Now I want you to get some baking soda.
Think it's gonna float.
Wait, you think it's gonna float? Oh, that's a good prediction. Get your spoon and put some baking soda into the water. Now mix it for me.
Float.
Okay. What do you think?
Put it in then.
Sink!
Did it sink? Did it sink? I don't think so.
Still in.
Look! Oh, look! It's floating.
You can't touch it.
No. What happened to it?
It's sinking
It
out.
is at the top, but it's
Not that one.
No, it's just the same water. Pour some water. Okay. Now put some sugar. It affects the density, so that means some things float and some things sink. So when the water is really, really salty, and when we have seawater, it helps us to float. Okay.
No.
So say it again. Our experiment
Why is the judge not
blindfolded. She's coming soon. We're doing our experiment blindfolded. So for this, we just have digestive biscuits. We made our solution, which is icing sugar. Kaden, are you finished?
You guess.
Kaden, are you finished? Yeah. Oh my! No, you cheated! Are you ready to judge? Shh, just pretend that she was pretend for the judge, so she doesn't know. Can you come and judge us?
Wow, this is amazing! Wow, this is fantastic. This is lovely.
Yay! Auntie Mara won! Yay! They're all very good actually, to be honest. I don't know if my hand.
Water bottles, you need scissors, you need straws, and you need a ping pong ball. First step, I want you to cut into your bottles. So I'll help you do the first bit. Okay, with adult supervision.
Adult supervision.
Yep. Wait.
And I can do that too. Big boy supervision.
Zane, you know you don't have to do that.
So get an adult to help you cut it. Lid.
Okay.
You don't need the scissors
Yeah,
anymore. I'll just screw the lid. Then we need to poke a hole through the lid. Do you want me to do it for you, Kaden? What do you want me to do?
Lid bigger. Watch your hand on the other side just now.
Okay, where's